In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI influencer videos using HeyGen in 2026. HeyGen lets you create realistic talking avatars that can speak any script, making it perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and marketing content. First, open HeyGen and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create Video to start a new project. Next, choose an AI avatar. You can pick from ready-made influencers or create a custom avatar depending on your plan. Then select the video format, usually vertical 9116 for social media content. Now type or paste your script into the text box. This is what your AI influencer will say. Make sure your script is clear, natural, and engaging so it sounds realistic when spoken. After that, choose a voice option. HeyGen offers different AI voices and languages, so pick the one that matches your influencer style. You can also customize background, subtitles, and branding elements like logos or colors to make your video look more professional. Once everything is ready, click Generate. HeyGen will process your video and create a realistic AI influencer talking video. Finally, download your video and upload it to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. That's how you create AI influencer videos using HeyGen in 2026.